नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss about homeopathic therapeutics of Crohn's disease. So let's begin with the introduction. Homeopathy offers a significant supportive role in the management of Crohn's disease. These medicines help in reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. They also help to manage the symptoms of moderating the immune system. The use of homeopathy for Crohn's disease helps reduce the recurrence of the symptoms as well as their severity. So in this presentation we are going to discuss the symptoms and symptoms of Crohn's disease, and accordingly we will discuss the medicines for those symptoms. So for diarrhea, we give alosocotrina. It is a treatment for Crohn's disease with diarrhea. Associated symptoms include loose stools, a feeling of constant bearing down in the rectum, and an urge to pass stool immediately after drinking or eating. There is rumbling and gurgling in the rectum, yellowish, brownish, lumpy with excessive water loss are other symptoms, and involuntary passing of stools while passing flatus and development of anal fistula is also noted in some cases. Then for loose stools, Merksol is a treatment for Crohn's disease where the person suffers from a loose stool with mucus. Merc corrosivis is chemically prepared with mercury chloride. The stools have a foul smell, and the persons may feel a constant, ineffectual urge to pass stool despite having cleared the bowel repeatedly. Colic below the navel and the distended sore abdomen are other symptoms. Then if the patient with Crohn's disease come with weight loss, then we can prescribe those patient China officinalis. It is a treatment for Crohn's disease with weight loss. It is used to treat Crohn's disease in cases where there is weight loss along with diarrhea. Symptoms include loose stools, undigested food particles in feces, flatulence during excretion, weakness, bloated abdomen, weakness and frailty. Then for weakness, arsenic herb is a treatment for chronic diseases with weakness. It is used to treat Crohn's disease where excessive weakness along with diarrhea is present. Foul smelling, profuse watery stools along with other symptoms like vomiting, nausea and a burning sensation in the abdomen, soreness or ulcer in the mouth may be present. Colocin is a medicine used to treat Crohn's disease when there are predominant intestine colicky, abdominal pain, cramps. The abdominal pains tend to get worse from slight eating or drinking. In most cases, bending over double or putting hard pressure provides relief. Other symptoms include a watery, sour smelling, yellowish greenish stool with vomiting or bitter fluid. For mouth ulcers, nitric acid is a medicine used to treat ulcers in the soft palate with sharp splinter-like pains. It is also indicated for slimy, offensive diarrhea, irritability and exhaustion followed after stool. Bleeding from the bowel is profuse and bright red. Then if a patient with Crohn's disease comes with sharp abdominal pain, then phosphor is a medicine indicated for sharp cutting pain in the abdomen. There is very weak, empty, all gone sensation felt in the entire abdominal cavity. Diarrhea in the morning and discharge of blood from rectum while passing the stools are other symptoms. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.